Hey fellow Moto travelers, are you researching the FJR1300 Comfort seat and wondering how it compares to stock? Let's take a look right now on MotoTravelUSA. Well, here's the FJR1300 Comfort seat, and here's the FJR1300 stock seat. This video, just so you know, will be a quick comparison between the two. I'll do a review of the Comfort seat, but I want to get a couple more miles on it before I do that video. Now, the first thing you'll notice is the stitching upgrade in the Comfort seat. The stock seat has seams with no visible stitching, but the Comfort seat has nice contrast stitching in white along the sides of the seat, as you can see here. Another thing you'll notice is that the stock seat has a smooth and plain texture along the sides, while the Comfort seat has a weaved, or it's almost a carbon fiber type pattern along the sides, and then it's stitched together with a smooth material towards the top. As expected, the seat pans are identical, and both seats have the materials attached underneath with multiple staples. The top of the stock seat has this raised micro pattern that provides grip when you're sitting on it, while the Comfort seat has a smooth pattern, but the material itself is grippy. As you can see here, the rear of the main stock seat has staples showing, while the rear of the Comfort seat is a bit more polished with staples hidden underneath the seat. As we look at the rear passenger seat, both the Comfort and the stock seat are very similar to the front seat. There are a few exceptions for the Comfort seat. As you can see here, the weave or carbon pattern is the only material along the sides of the seat. They've also added a Comfort tag to the rear, and there's also nice FJR stitching on the front of the rear seat. Comfort aside, I like the upgrade to the Comfort seat because of the look. To me, it has a much more polished and upgraded look over the standard seat. I like the contrasting stitching, the FJR branding, and the materials feel more premium than the stock. I hope that gave you a good idea about the differences between these two seats, and thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment or ask questions below, and please share with others if you think it may help them. Thanks for joining us this time on Moto Travel USA. Now let's go explore.